Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful lace earrings in green color. So for this I'm using 1.25 millimeter crochet hook, and it's very delicate and intricate work, but the results are awesome, and it makes a perfect gift for anyone. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for this project I have taken green color crochet thread and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. Starting we are gonna make a magic ring, and then we'll chain 3 plus 1. This chain 3 is going to act as our first double crochet, and the chain 1 for the space in between. And then we are going to crochet, double crochet, chain 1. So we are going to make 15 double crochet, chain 1. So at the end of this round we are going to have 16 double crochet in between chain 1 spaces. So once you are done with double crochet, chain 1, we will be working a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 to close this row 1. For row 2, we will be working a slip stitch onto the nearby chain 1 space, and then we are going to work chain 3 and double crochet 2 together on the chain 1 space. So this is our considered as our first double crochet 3 together, and then we'll work chain 3, and then in the next chain 1 space we are going to work double crochet 3 together, and then chain 3. So on each chain 1 space we are going to work double crochet 3 together, chain 3. So at the end of this round we'll have 16 double crochet 3 together with chain 3 spaces in between. And then once we are done with this, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting double crochet 3 together to end this row. for row 3 we are going to work a slip stitch onto the nearby chain 3 space, chain 1 and single crochet on the same chain 3 space, and then we'll work chain 5, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 5, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, and in the next chain 3 space we are going to work 5 double crochet, chain 5, 5 double crochet. Five double crochet, chain 5, 5 double crochet on the next chain 3 space. And then we'll be working this sequence like how we have worked 2 chain 5 spaces and 5 double crochet, chain 5, 5 double crochet. So this whole sequence we are going to work 3 more times so that we have a crochet square, and then we'll work a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet to close this round, and then we can cut off our yarn, work a slip stitch and weave our edges. Now we are going to finish off this row 3, and then I'm going to cut off my yarn and weave the edges. So this is how my work looks right now. So it's like very floppy or wobbly, so it's not stiff enough for a earring. So we are going to block it and stiffen it so that it will be good for a earring. So for that I'm just using a Elmer's glue. So what I will be doing, I will block my work and air dry it for at least 12 to 14 hours or a day, and then you can add hoops to your earrings. So for blocking or stiffening, I am just using a white glue, and I will mix equal parts of glue and water, and then dip my work in it and then air dry it for at least a day. So here it is, my blocked work. So the square looks stiffened, and it's not wobbly anymore, and it's good enough for us to join our hoops to make it a earring. So I'm just gonna add a hoop to one corner of this work over here. So here it is, my blocked work attached to the hoop. So it makes a wonderful earring, lace earring, and it's perfect gift for anyone you like. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.